Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels consistently upload high-quality videos without showing their face? Or how they manage to post content daily without burning out? The secret lies in YouTube automation. In this video, we'll break down what YouTube automation is, how it works, and whether it's the right strategy for you. Stay tuned! Segment 1. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a content creation strategy where you outsource most, if not all, of the work involved in running a YouTube channel. Instead of recording and editing videos yourself, you hire a team or use AI tools to handle tasks like script writing, voiceover narration, video editing, thumbnail design, SEO optimization. Essentially, you manage the channel like a business, while others do the work behind the scenes. Segment 2. How does YouTube automation work? The process of automating a YouTube channel typically follows these steps. Choosing a niche. Popular niches for automation include finance, tech, motivational content, and storytelling. Content creation. Scripts are written by freelancers or AI tools. Voiceovers are recorded using AI or voice actors, and video editors put everything together. Uploading and optimization. Titles, descriptions, and SEO tags are optimized to ensure the video reaches a wide audience. Monetization and scaling. Once the channel starts earning through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, you can reinvest to scale the channel. Segment 3. Benefits of YouTube automation. Why do people choose YouTube automation? Here are some key benefits. Checkmark. No need to show your face. Perfect for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. Scalability. You can run multiple channels without doing all the work yourself. Passive income potential. Once a video is live, it can generate revenue for years. Time saving. Focus on strategy while your team handles production. Segment 4. Challenges and risks of YouTube automation. While automation sounds great, there are challenges to consider. Initial investment. Hiring a team or using AI tools requires upfront costs. Quality control. Low-quality videos won't perform well. You need to maintain high standards. YouTube policy changes. YouTube frequently updates its monetization policies, which could affect automated channels. Competition. Many creators are entering the YouTube automation space, making it harder to stand out. Segment 5. Is YouTube automation right for you? So, should you start a YouTube automation channel? If you're willing to invest in outsourcing, focus on content strategy, and stay updated on YouTube's policies, then yes. However, if you prefer hands-on content creation, a traditional YouTube channel might be a better fit. Visuals. A side-by-side comparison of automated channel versus traditional YouTube channel. Now that you know what YouTube automation is, would you try it? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.